afternoon. How are you doing today? Welcome to today's class with Mr. Gemde Manuel Okeke. In our today's class, we will consider algebraic questions from past IGCSE question. Here comes the first question. In the first question, we have find the values of k for which the equation x squared minus 2 bracket opens 2k plus 1 bracket closes of x plus bracket open k plus 2 bracket closes equals to 0 has two equal roots. Here comes the solution. Given the equation x squared minus 2 bracket open 2k plus 1 bracket close of x plus bracket open k plus 2 bracket close is equals to 0. For the roots of this equation to be equal, for the two roots of this equation to be equal, the d must be equal to 0. The d represents the discriminant. The discriminant of a quadratic equation is given as b squared minus 4ac. So we are trying to say that b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, b squared is equal to 4ac. So taking a, b, and c from the given equation, we have b as minus 2 of 2k plus 1 of x. So we have minus 2 of 2k plus 1 all squared is equals to 4 of a. A is 1, which is the coefficient of x squared, and c is k plus 2. So if you open the bracket, you have 4 into 4k squared plus 4k plus 1 in bracket is equals to 4k plus 8. So we have 16k squared plus 16k plus 4 minus 4k minus 8 is equal to 0. So we have 16k squared plus 12k, that's 16k minus 4k, that's 12k. Then 4 minus 8, that's minus 4 is equal to 0. So we factorize, we have 4 of 4k squared plus 3k minus 1 is equal to 0. So we factorize the quadratic trinomial. We have 4 bracket open 4k squared plus 4k minus k minus 1 bracket closes. So when we pick the HCF of the pairs in the bracket, we have 4k of k plus 1 into minus 1 of k plus 1. So we have 4 into 4k minus 1 and k plus 1 equals to 0. So if 4k minus 1 is equal to 0 or k plus 1 is equal to 0, therefore k is equals to 1 over 4 or minus 1. Okay, the second question says solve the simultaneous equations x plus 3y is equals to 13 and x squared plus 3y squared is equals to 43. These are two simultaneous equations of one linear, one quadratic. So using the substitution method, we make x the subject of the formula in equation 1. So from equation 1, we have x is equals to 13 minus 3y. In that case, we substitute x in equation 2. We have 13 minus 3y all squared plus 3y squared is equals to 43. So 13 minus 3y squared is equals to 169 minus 78y plus 9y squared, and plus 3y squared is equals to 43. So we move 43 to the left hand side. We have 169 minus 43 minus 78y plus 12y is equal to 0. So we have 126 minus 78y plus 12y squared is equal to 0. So having 12y squared minus 78y plus 126 is equal to 0 after rearranging. So we factorize, we have 6 of 2y squared minus 13y plus 21 is equal to 0. Therefore, we factorize what is in the bracket. We have 2y squared minus 6y minus 7y plus 21 is equal to 0. So we have 2y as the HCF of the pair of y minus 3, and minus 7 of y minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2y minus 7 or y minus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equals to 7 over 2 or 3. So when you substitute y as 7 over 2, you have x as 5 over 2. Or you substitute y as 3, you have x as 4. That's all for our class today. Please do well to share our video when you come across it. It is a part of encouraging the system. Please do well to write to us. If you have one or two for us, It's also part of encouraging us to see clearer and be directed aright. Please, you can reach out to us through this phone number 080-387-46884. When you come across our video and share our video, you are encouraging us, and God will bless you. Thank you.